Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's Jasmy update, we are going to take a look at some of our technical analysis to take a look at some price movements here. So, taking it off on coin market cap, Jasmy is trading at 0.01779. We are up 4% in the day here. However, volume has come down to only 39 million. We are down 34% in terms of the volume. So, this decrease in volume does indicate some potential slowdown in that momentum, again, which does align with the technical that I am going to show you. So kicking it off here on the daily time frame, we have found some support at 0.01540. Again, this was the target that I wanted us to really focus on, taking a look on the weekly time frame, because ultimately, if buyers did not defend this area here, then we could be in deep waters and coming down to that extension of 0.010. Now, the week is still not up here. We do see a very heavy selling signal still on our weekly time frame. Now, if we're able to come up and close above that 78% of our Fibonacci at 0.01954, then we are still in the game here for Jasmy. It's just a little bit more of a warning sign if the price itself comes down to 0.015. But heading back to the daily time frame here, we can see that the bulls itself defended this area very nicely, and it is just the matter of time that we come back up and retest our 78% of our fib at the price point of 0.0195. Now, what's needed in here is obviously we need to see higher volumes in here instead of a decrease in volume, and we do need to see a surge of our momentum. Our MACD indicator that does measure momentum here, we can see that our K and our D line is heavily below our zero line, which essentially does show us it is still a bear market. In order for us to really break out and see a potential reverse in the charts here, we will need to see these K and D lines above our zero. But we can see that big gap itself, it is going to be a very heavy battle coming up. If we do see some sparks in higher histograms or bigger bars here, then potentially we may be able to break above it. But so far in this daily time frame, we can see a struggle between the buyers and the sellers in regaining that momentum coming up and retesting. Now, this is going to be a high area of attention, a high area of confluence. Not only is it a rejection or a resistance line prior, but it is also around our 20 moving average that has been, again, treated as a heavy area of resistance. So we can see again a break above our 20 moving average and then closing below, and then retest and multiple rejections from that line. So if we're able to defend again this 0.015, come up and retest it, then it's going to favor over to the bulls. Now, immediate short term for 4 hours, essentially we are coming up and making a lot of higher highs and a lot of lower highs. Now, just be very cautious coming up to this point here, because our moving averages are treated as areas of resistance. In order for us to really break through here, we will need to see a bigger bullish green candlestick. If it does kind of sit around these two candlesticks closing at this 4-hour time frame, most likely price is going to be rejected and coming back down to correct itself. My target here is going to be 0.0165. Now, that's only if we're not able to hold up to this level, which is a good area of support at 0.017. Momentum itself is kind of building in the 4-hour time frame. The RSI is coming up to bullish territory at 61%, and we're seeing some bullish activity in terms of our MACD indicator. I'm just saying for Jasmy itself, because we've seen time after time here, multiple rejections, especially closer to a moving average. It wouldn't surprise me here at our 4-hour time frame if we do see some rejections happen, especially around the 20 moving average and the 50 moving average. But kind of overall here, we are anticipating a retest on the weekly weekly time frame and seeing how this weekly candle does close. Again, I'm hoping to see a hammer candlestick close by the end of this week, which simply put is a body closer to that 78%. So it gives us a small little body at the very top, and then the wick is twice the size of the body. This is a reversal candlestick known as a hammer candlestick observed at a downtrend. This will give us some type of potential recovery here for Jasmy in going into next week. So I'm really hoping again at the end of that week we close at a hammer candlestick. But definitely let me know what your thoughts are down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe as well, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.